Namaskar. Shakal Adab. Welcome back to my YouTube channel about everything. Today I am going to show you about the i12 TWS headsets. These are true wireless stereo headsets with 5.0 Bluetooth. So today we will talk about these and I will tell why these are best in just $10 or I can say 550 rupees. So let's get started. This is my first time when I am making video in English, but today I am going to show you the i12 TWS. In past, I had also unboxed the i7 mini Airpods copy that were also good, but these are the improved one because they are launched after so many long time. So if we see on the box, there is i12 TWS True Wireless Stereo i12 Auto Power On and Auto Power Pairing 5.0. On the sides there are instructions: Auto Power On, Auto Pairing, touch using Siri, open the lid and connect automatically. These are some features which are rarely found in so much cheap AirPod copy, but I will say that these are more effectively better than AirPods. Spending $219 or 13,000 rupees, it is very comparatively alternative of AirPods in just 550 rupees or $10. $10 are here as Canadian. So on the back there is product name wireless earphones version 5.0 EDR-BLE. Input is DC 5 volt 2.4 ampere. Talking time 2 to 3 hours. Charging time 14 minutes. So let's open it. So there was a wrapping on it. So here you can see the picture. Here is of original iPad, but when we open this we get these small sized Apple AirPod copy, which we can say i12, and these are comparatively as same the AirPods. And we will take it aside, and here is the lid, and this is the instruction manual which is in Chinese and English. And we get a data cable which is of normal quality, but this is a lightning port data cable, so it's just like really a real AirPods. So we will keep this aside and we will come to our AirPod. So if we remove this wrapping, we can see that it is identically similar to the AirPods. Even the lid sounds like it. You can listen to it. It fits really good. And here are some magnetic like system, it comes back to pro. And here is the button which light up a blue light near. Here is the lightning port for charging, and these are the AirPods. These AirPods are almost similar, but the stem of these AirPods is a little thicker than the original ones. As you can say, there is speaker here, here and here as there are in AirPod, but there is no sensors as we can see here. And these have mics also, and so these i12s have mic in them, so you can take calls easily and the person at other end can listen to you comfortably. And I'm gonna show you something special about these. These also have magnets in their fitting. As you can see, the i12 have the charging system as 2 dots. The last which I had unboxed was i7 mini, which contained a long straw which go through this stem and charge it, but this time they had improved. And you can see its magnetic pole can take it inside easily. You can see that. this is levitated in this case. You can see that if you try to see there, you can see 2 points. Those 2 points come with these and charging starts just like that, easy and comfortably they fit. And lid this lid is quite good, as not expected. I will show you how to connect them and what is my review about these. So when you put your i12 in your charging case, they start to show red lights which show that they are charging. The blue light indicates that the case is charging them, and you can see that the provided cable can be inserted easily. You can see that it is made for this, and when you take it out, it starts to blink. It means this is in pairing mode. In the camera you will see this as a sky blue and orange light, but this is actually red and blue, and you can easily pair them very simply. So we have to just search in our devices, and here are the i12. We can easily pair them. The pairing is so simple. You can see that i12, it's a single i12 now, but if you want to pair another, just take it out, it will be paired. As you can see, I just take it out. When I will take it out, firstly this will start to blink, and when these both are connected, they sync themselves with this. And I had also played some music with these, and I enjoyed the sound a lot as compared to AirPods that I have also tested, which were my friend's one. I seen that the sound quality is like AirPods. They do not sound too better like AirPods, but the thing is that they are good at bass. In AirPods they are better at travel, but these are on good bass. We can feel a little bass, but as compared to the price, these are way cheaper than them. So I will show you some music playing on them. Also, these support touch sensitivity. As you have seen in my old video, the i7 have a button, but these are now with touch sensitivity. So if I touch these, it will start music. If I touch that one, the music will also start in this. You can see that its response is quite fast. Now you will listen to the sound. As you can listen, these sound better than the i7, but not as better as AirPods. But as an alternative, these are very good. I have used these for a full day, and I felt that they are quite good. They actually give me a very good support in battery backup. I actually played 4 hours non-stop music on these, and it was just like non-stop, and these performed very well. These both were in my ears. You can just take one out and just listen to music easily, just like that. But if you want, one can be taken out, another can be moved. This auto pairing system is very good for those who want easy connectivity. Due to it also comes with 5.0 Bluetooth that will help us a better connectivity. The AirPods even come with 4.0, which is better than the Apple. So here you can see that why I'm preferring these. So I think that hope you like these. And if you see them when they are not connected, they will show alternate lighting. One of them will show alternate lighting because these both are connected with each other. So if you insert them, you can see that these are looking like this. It's just like police coming. And I'm going to show some pictures which are on your screen, which I took when these were in night. So share some link with you in the description where you can buy these easily. On Amazon or other websites, you can see they vary from 500 to 700. If you want to buy i12 to i15, the i15 is very better than these, but it is around 36.82, which is not quite expensive, but these I like the most. The i9, i10 and i11 have many problems. i11s are quite larger than them and their sound is a little low. You can see that low. And I will prefer these because they fit as good as they can. And some people think that these will not fit better, but these are, because they are so small that it can fit in your ear canal so easily. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share my channel links, and hope you like the video. This is my first video, so please support. I was speaking first time the English, so please support me. Thank you. Goodbye.